wonderful children. Welcome back. In our previous class, don't forget we took some problems on changing decimals to fractions. Today now, we are here to change fractions to decimals. And to convert a fraction to decimal, all we need to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator using long division. Let's take that again. To change a fraction to decimal, all you need to do is to divide the numerator by the denominator using long division method. Now let's take the exercises we have on the board. Please listen attentively. Solution. We have number 1 here. We have 1/2. And the rule states that we should divide the numerator by the denominator. Therefore, we'll have this 2 and 1 here using long division, don't forget. And you know, in long division, the number that is here is supposed to be larger than the number we have here for us to be able to divide. And since 1 is less than 2, we'll put a decimal point here and put 0 here. And don't forget that there is no number in mathematics that just begins with a decimal point. So we put 0 in front. Now we have 10 here. So what is that number that when we times it by 2, we'll get 5? Or you can also say 10 divided by 2. And you know that the answer is what? 5. So you place your 5 here. 5 times 2 is what? 10. Then you subtract and you have 0 here. So the answer is 0.5. When you change 1/2 to decimal, it gives you 0/5. Now on question 2, we're going to use the same method to answer this question. 4/5. Let us change this fraction also to decimal. We have 5 here and we have 4 here. Still, we have 5 here greater than 4. And like I told you here, all you need to do is to put your point here and bring 0 here. Don't forget that no number in mathematics begins with a decimal point, so we put 0 here. Now, what is that number that when we times it by 5, we will get 40? Or you can also say 40 divided by 5. You know that 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2, 10, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times 4, 20, 5 times 5, 25, 5 times 6, 30, 5 times 7 is 35, and 5 times 8 is 40. Therefore, we put our 8 here. 8 times 5 or 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40, we do our subtraction, is 0. So the answer is 0.8. I hope it is well understood. Okay, this brings us to the end of this class. Don't forget to go to the class dojo for your assignments. Thank you for your time. Be good children and stay safe. Bye.